I made $4,040 in 12 days with my agency. Now, that's what we were able to do for one of our clients by doing just one thing on YouTube. And you can be doing the same thing for your clients and offer this for your business. So, what was it? Well, earlier in 2022, YouTube announced that Shopify was going to now be able to integrate with YouTube. Creators were going to be able to link directly to a product. Now, that might not seem like a big thing, but let's look at an example. JJ Redick on his page, right below the description, guess what? You can buy not only his t-shirt, but a bunch of different products. So right there, not just t-shirts, you could now buy other items. And now people can buy one of his hoodies for $80. That's just one example. So that's a huge thing where you can now have people that really enjoy a video go directly to a Shopify account. And that's what we helped one of our clients do. They were able to then integrate their great Shopify site that people, instead of trying to find the link and what should they do, they could go directly there. Now, you might say, but Doc, like $4,000, that was just getting started. What did you take home? Well, we were able to then offer just setting that up for them for starting at $775. That's right, $775 continually, to not just integrate it for them, but continually watch over and be able to have strategy for this kind of integration. And that's just getting started. Other people, instead of having a set amount, they're just saying, hey, if I set this up for you, I'm going to then take a certain percentage of each sale. That way, they're charging a rate that, you know, if something works, and then you can scale with them. Now, that can add up quite quickly. So then people will probably just say, hey, I'll be willing to pay X amount per month. But really, there's tons of different ways you can be doing this. You can be doing this for other people, but you can also be doing this as a creator if you have an audience. Integrate your Shopify store to be able to do. And this is just getting started. This is just in 12 days. We haven't optimized, had also exit pops, also having cross promotions, all these different things. This was just in the first 12 days doing over 4K with just getting started with this. This is the power of the creator economy and having a skill to help people. When you're looking for a way to have an extra side hustle, look for different things that people are looking to have. We had a client that already had an established brand and they were looking for different streams of income. They're not tech savvy and they needed help with tech integration. So that's what we did for their business. This is just one of many things found in the 2022 No Code Industry Survey. We partnered up with UCalgary and showed how people are making money. And one of the best ways are automation consultancies or automation agencies that their main focus is looking at people's tech stacks, looking how they can save time for people or make them more money, integrating tech for them. If you want that, that's down below. And if you like these kind of use cases and want to see behind the curtain of what we do for clients or more details, let me know in the comment section down below. We might do this in the future. If you want to see real numbers, what people are making, let me know. And we'll be able to talk to some of our clients and see what we can do to talk about it and let people know if you're interested. All right, everybody, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll talk